Hi, everyone. Um, I just wanted to go back through how I set up Google Meet for breakout rooms and just a little more of how I use it in class. I know the first video was also a little blurry, so I'm going to leave some things in the description to help you out. But first, we're going to start by creating our Google Meet and getting ourselves ready with the extension that I use. So the extension that I use is called Mute Tab to Mute Tabs. Um, that you can see here, and I'll explain that a little more. This is the extension, Mute Tab by TRMCNVN, so you're going to want to download that. The reason you're going to want to download that is because you're going to have a whole bunch of Google Meets open. So if you want to mute a tab so you can't hear the students in that particular Google Meet, you can just click on the extension and it will mute that specific tab for you. So the first thing we're going to do is create our different Google Meets. You're going to take this extension right here, this g.co/meet/ and you're going to put something at the end of it. So in my case, I will usually put for my students my main meet, which is Melonis Meet. So all my students know that when they need to get a hold of me or they need to come to office hours, they just go to g.co/meet/Melonis Meet and they can come in. Now, one of the things that's important in class is that you actually get there first. So you should actually go to this meet early on and set it up before anyone else does. So what I'm going to do also is I'm going to hyperlink it to make it a little easier. So I'm going to copy this first, okay, right here, and then I'm going to go down to link and then just paste it in. Hit apply, and now it should be hyperlinked. I'll go to this meet, and it pops up, and I can join this meet. I'm just going to turn the camera off and join that meet, as you can see. So now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to create more meets using just this first part, that g.co/meet/. So I'm going to do g.co/meet/ and then Melonis group 1. If you want to hyperlink it for the students, you can do the same thing. I have been copying and pasting it in just because sometimes it doubles up on the https:// and otherwise, and that'll cause your meet to your link to break. So I'm just going to join all those meets. I'll create another one as well with the same thing. I'll just copy this. Change it to 2, but I'll also have to change the hyperlink as well. So just copy link, and then instead of Melonis group 1, change it to group 2. So let me join that last meet. So what I've done is I have my main meet here that all the students will come into at the beginning of class, and then I have my 2 breakout rooms here and here for the students when I'm ready to go and let them go. Now, how I disseminate this information to the students is I have an agenda. So I have my main meet all the way up the top, and then as you can see here, they're different groups, and then we have our group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. They can just come on in and then click the link, and it pops right up for them. So in class, what I have been doing is I keep myself unmiked in all of the different meets. so that students can hear me. And I also, if I need to talk, if I'm listening to them, I don't mute them at the beginning, just because I want to be able to hear them. And if they have a question, they can just say, "Hey, Mr. Malonis, I have a question," and then I go into their meet. So depending on who what I'm doing, I'll do it, different ways. Once I'm in that meet with that one group of students, I will go to the extension mute tab, and I'll mute the other groups. It could be one group, it could be two or three, whatever it is. I will mute the other groups so I can, sit and have a conversation with the other students. So I'll put this g.co/meet/ in the description. I will also put a link to the extension that I use in the description for you. But that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't assign the room. I assign the rooms through this. They don't automatically get shoot in there. So the students will have to switch out and jump into a different room. But you'll still be able to hear them. My only other recommendation is to make sure you get there before they do, so that you're the one who is controlling the Google Meet and not somebody else. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, or you can stop by and I'll help you out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helps, and good luck.